designers, you're watching the series of how to apply graphic designing principles to your designs. In this video, we're gonna look at hierarchy. So when you search in Google, you'll get an overview on hierarchy in designing. I know for a beginner and for a people who are a little confused to understand this, like in visual, how it works. That's why I'm gonna show you easiest way to apply it to your designs. So hierarchy is a single principle in design, but also hierarchy includes elements like text, colors, shapes, contrast, emphasis, even layouts, and etc. So here we have an example. I'm going to use this design to show how hierarchy can be applied. First you have to focus on the text part here. Here you can see I have added the text in different sizes and also separated into 3 parts. Always we have to keep in mind is as soon as somebody sees your design, which part of the design the eyes goes to. Of course we are looking at the image, but when you come to the text, it doesn't have much contrast to guide your eyes. So to solve it, I have made small changes here. And now if you can see, the main heading is more bigger and in different color to give more contrast, and following that comes the secondary text. Finally, the smallest text which has more details. So that's how you can modify and adjust the design by focusing on the different elements in your design. Now in this design, our eyes goes to the image first and then to the main heading and following other smallest elements. By following this simple trick, made my designs little more professional and engaging. So that's how you apply hierarchy to your designs. Try it for yourself and make your designs more effective to the audience. I'll see you again in another video. Have a great day.